Once again, this is John Restoration. We just loaded up the 69 Chevelle to put in the trailer, take it to get the motor and everything put back in it. So here it is. Had 3 of my big guys pick it up. And I put it back inside the trailer so we can take it and get the motor and everything put back in and get it ready for the street. Still got a lot of paint work to do, but we like to do all the detail stuff first. What y'all got something to say?
What's going on YouTube? It's us again. Yeah, we back again. Yeah, we just got finished registering for that car show down there at the Virginia Beach Convention Center, you know. Yeah, inside, man. Hopefully we take first base. You see, she ain't ready. But like I said, we got a lot of cars, so you know something guaranteed to be down there. Yeah, we in here working now, you know. Yeah, man. Busting a sweat.
Walk through the shop, tell them what we're doing right now.
Right here we got he do engine work on this Mustang right here. See all the red metal.
Your boss knows it can do it. The person that everyone in your company
check out the new floorboards. Yeah, all new floors.
I know it looks factory, I know, but we're not Ford. We ain't Ford. John's Restoration.
Right there we got Big Country. We got Homeboy Panama. What's going on, fella? Yeah, they concrete working.
Visit computertraining.edu and take our online skills test.
Over here we got the excavator.
Isn't it time
you work on everything from old school, you know, that's 2009 right there.
A little better tomorrow. Today,
bumper work,
certified operator Virginia.
something on the back end, you know. We're gonna leave that alone. We ain't done it. We got a new project for y'all now. We got a LS400. It's coming to you real soon. Right here, this is the booth. This is where everything gets made in. This is like, this is the operating room. This is where the babies be born, you know. Right here we got the LS400. About to get painted white pearl. Got some 22s painted white to throw up there. You take up everything. Take up from the windows to the chrome, you know. And we still got the wheel cover. This is my man Dan here, taping, working hard, you know. Say something to me.
Hey, what's up, man? You gotta talk to YouTube, man.
Yo, what's up, my friend? Restoration, we always busy. We always busy with something new. This little rubber here, people paint that. I can take that.
Yeah, we'll paint that. As long as we paint all 4, we good.
You see, we don't cut corners around here. We do it right, you know. And this ain't no customer. This one is John Restoration here. So if you're interested, she gonna be for sale real soon, you know.
95 LS400.
Leather interior.
They got that cream interior, and it's going to be pearl white with the pearl white 22s to match. 713-2277 if you're interested in purchasing it. All prices negotiable.
So y'all make sure y'all look at this, alright? Make sure y'all look. We didn't buy it like this and trying to sell it to you. You see, you got primer right here. The hood is black. So when you see it all white, you know we painted. Ain't no false thing around here. We do it all. You want to say something to him, Nick?
No, man. You just got covered. What else can I say?
What else can I say? John's Restoration.
All right, we signing out.
Yeah.
All right, gone.